guys, welcome back. I hope you all doing great. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sindhu and I am a clay artist doing as a personal hobby. Before I start sculpting, the first step I'll do is clean my workplace. I'm using isopropyl alcohol. Normal water works as well. I will clean the clay tools as well so that dust won't stick. You can skip this part, but if you want to maintain your clay charms clean, I would highly suggest to follow this step before sculpting. The design I am making today is a simple one which doesn't require a lot of colors. If your clay is rough, knead the clay, it will come to a perfect texture. I am taking 2 ice cream sticks to roll the clay in equal thickness. I use this technique to maintain uniformity for making ears and legs. The basic model is done. We can add any other details to the charms. I'm adding a scarf to the teddy. If you find any visible cracks in the clay, you can smooth out using fingertips or use a cotton buds. Both works well. For adding any face details, you can use a sharp tool like X-Acto knife or a toothpick also works. The tool I am using is which I made using a pin. If you want, I can share the tutorial in the next video. Once the clay charms are dried, you can add the eye pins at this stage. Avoid adding when the clay is wet. There is a high chance of dust formation. So I am using a hand driller and attaching the eye pin. And then comes the last part. I am going to attach the key rings to the eye pins so I can use it as a keychain. For attaching, you will need a plier. I will list down all the useful links in the description below. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my content, do subscribe and let me know your suggestions in the comment. See you next time.